a mirror do? It doesn't only reflect the good things, the things we want to see, the things we're proud of, the things we're happy about, the things we're excited about. If it's important to us, we'll take the time, we'll put forth the effort, and we'll make the change. This is a situation we can no longer live with. We have to do something about it. Redefine science and engineering. Re-image who we see as scientists and engineers and what we see as S&D. De-silo our approach to academic programs and problem solving, and fine-tune our organizational culture and climate so everybody can succeed. The bigger picture is the organizational culture, what the organization is at its very roots. What's the norm for the organization, how the organization ebbs and flows. That the types of problems we solve, the types of work we do as engineers, as scientists, as medical practitioners has dire consequences for society when it's not done in an equitable manner. There are researchers at Georgetown University who conducted a study on pedestrians, and they found that wheelchair users are 36% more likely to be killed in traffic accidents. That's one of the biggest challenges that come with change, is that you have somebody who can bring new perspectives in. You have opportunities to come to improve the way things are done, or even get ahead of something that somebody sees on the horizon because of where they've already been. And you say, that's not the way we do it here. They're satisfied with the way we've always done it. And so whether we have change that is forced or planned, one thing we must do is face it. We must look in the mirror.